What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, back with another episode of what? Candid.
I'm gonna say surviving in the cleaning industry.
We got so many goddamn shows.
We don't
even be remembering what we own right now.
That means that it's been too long. You know how when you be on the phone and you be holding, like, to the point where the music in the beginning is annoying.
Too long. We've been gone too long.
So you just gonna cut me off like that? You're just gonna cut me off like that?
Just go.
It don't even make sense for me to continue because you're gonna cut me off.
Just go.
Welcome back, y'all.
Welcome back. So this is Candid Cleaning Conversations, okay?
Hey, woo. Candid Cleaning Conversations. Everybody gather round, it's a celebration that we're still standing. Big up Katrina, she the inspiration. Came up from the bottom, she here with that motivation. Here to teach and inspire, help you aim higher, help you dream bigger, get what you desire. Real recognize, real iron sharp as iron. Let us grow your cleaning business. She ain't playing around, yeah, the queen mean business. Just stick around, get down with a podcast. Hold it down, here we go, foot on the gas. Candid Cleaning Conversation. Hey.
So we got a topic for you guys on this candid conversation tonight. And the topic is...
This is going to be a tough one, y'all. So let me speak up so you guys can hear me.
Please.
Is that better? Is that better?
Mic, so you got to speak up.
Okay. So I feel like money does not change you. You know what I'm saying? Money does not fix the situation, right? It only just enhances who you are. The reason why I'm stating that is because so many people are looking into financial freedom. They want to become a business owner, but they still got bad habits. Now, granted that certain people have gone through self-development, but there are some people who have not because they see this get rich quick, on YouTube University, but they haven't fixed their old habits. So with all that being said, people be praying to God and saying, get me out of this situation. But God not going to change the situation because you need to change, not the situation.
That's a bar right there. That's a bar. So it's kind of like, look at it like a caterpillar. You know what I mean? Like that caterpillar has to do some work in order to bust out of the cocoon and become a butterfly.
Metamorphosis.
Some people y'all got some work to do in here before you can even get to 6 and 7 figures. And the real reason is not really even the information that you're searching for on YouTube. So you're searching for information like how to hire and how to send invoices and KPI statements and all the things.
The systems,
the leads. Y'all searching for all of the things, but you haven't done the work in here yet.
Right.
So you have to realize who's going to be running your company? You. And if you don't fix some of them bad habits you got, your business, you're going to take it on to where your business, you're going to take all them bad habits to your business.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So coming to work late or waking up late, like some contractors, they come in and they want to come in, join Tenacity Academy. And
perfect.
Sometimes I look and I'm like, dog, like you're not even showing up
like you supposed to.
Like you're supposed to show up in cleaning your accounts.
I mean, look how they look. But they want the money.
Don't take accountability. It's just a lot of things that I'm like, y'all need to do some self-development first in order to even get to the level where me and Tamika are. And we're not at a high level, but still, in order to get to this level, we had to do some work. Yeah. And in order for us to get to the multi-million-dollar level, we got to do some more work.
Yeah.
Inside. So the shit don't stop.
It
literally
does.
don't. But it starts within. So moving on to 2025, what are the things that you're going to work on for yourself? What are some things that you just think about it? What do you need to work on and enhance? I would say start doing things, step outside the box. That's what helped me. Well, you got a lot of notifications, girl.
Sorry, that's my Bible app.
But I would definitely start doing things that you're uncomfortable with doing. Okay? Like if you're uncomfortable,
that's a good one.
Speaking on a stage, get uncomfortable. If you're uncomfortable going to conferences and just like speak, because I still have to work on that part. When I go to these big major conferences, I'm like, damn, I gotta go out here and meet people and, you know, introduce myself, people that don't know me. So I have to figure out how to break the ice because I'm an introvert and I'm not used to just being flamboyant like that. Like, hey, I don't do all that. Okay. I'm really an introvert at heart, but I've seen myself throughout the years push myself out of the cocoon. I had to push and do things that I ain't really comfortable with doing.
Right.
And that's some of the things that you guys need to think about. That's one thing you need to think about.
Yeah.
Another thing is, I always talk about health, you know, and the stuff that you put in your body. Like, it's a lot of food out here in these grocery stores that's trash. Damn near maybe 90% of the grocery store is probably trash right now. Okay, really it's like you got to be careful. You got to be so careful about what you consume on a daily basis. Okay, so eat right. Not saying that you got to be, you know, vegan or anything like that, but be mindful of what you put in your body every single day, because it enhances who you are. It has an effect on your work ethic. Okay?
Right. I have to give shout out to AJ, our brother. Shout out.
Shout out.
Some of y'all just need to be quiet. I know AJ just did a live, and he was with Andrew, and they were talking about if you mix up the letters inside of the word, look, we both looking at the phone like, what is that?
I wish you would have turned them things off.
It's Sam Carter.
That's distracting.
Well, anyway, he did a live, and he said if you mix up the word silent, it, you know, if you mix up the words listen, it means silent. So a lot of y'all just need to be quiet sometimes. A lot of people, you're so caught up in talking so much, and everything is everybody else's fault. Stop looking at everybody else and look at yourself. Because if it's a repetition thing that's going on all the time, you might just want to take a step back and see, how did it come about? How did it get started? Where did it start at? So now it's not nobody else's fault. Just stop, listen, understand for comprehension.
And take accountability by all means. Don't go back and forth if you know you done messed up the damn warehouse.
Right.
If you know you did something wrong, you all right?
No, I saw a little nail or something.
Like, damn. But don't go back and forth. Like, it's really some things that you guys may need to just work on in the inside. That's what this whole video is about. Period. You might need to just reiterate, work on you before you even think about growing this massive big company, because I'm telling you right now, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. You can get as many clients, as many employees, as many contractors that you want. Right. You're just going to have a big old shit bowl to deal with. Literally. If you don't literally deal with yourself first and learn how to really maintain all of this stuff, you know, at ease. Right. At ease. It's a way. It's a way. Trust me, it's a way. Okay?
It took me a while to actually, and I'm going to have a very vulnerable moment with y'all. Like, over the last couple of years, I just know that I'm not the same person that I was a couple of years ago. Right? Just coming into this whole entrepreneurship world, like, you think that you know everything when you come in, because it's like, yeah, I know everything because of your lifespan and what you've been through and stuff like that. You think you know. But coming into this really grounds you as a person. Like, you really will take how you are on the outside and you will bring that into your business. And if you're not a good person, if you all out of control, if you're not doing what you're supposed to do, you will bring that into your business. And it's like, I see that on the calls with people, and a lot of people, they be saying what their problem is, but that's not a problem. They're only talking about symptoms that actually are root to the problem, you know. And if you go through self-development, it can really show you a whole different life. Like, I tell people all the time, entrepreneurship and Christianity, baptism, whatever, just finding a higher power. Those are the two things that have transitioned my life. For you to see things different. But I'm not about to sit here and preach to y'all and do all that stuff. It's just go through the self-development, because it can really show you a lot of things. Like, you don't have to be the teacher so much.
Right.
Become the student.
Right. And whatever you did in 2024 that did not work, do not do it in 2025.
Please.
Okay? that's our motto.
Please.
So moving on to 2025. We have so much data that we have been looking at throughout 2024, and we know all of the shit that just did not work right for us, and we have been making tweaks to change the way our system is in Tenacity Clean and Tenacity Academy. Okay, so whatever didn't work, like right now, we have a new community. I had to get a whole new community because the old community just wasn't working.
Right.
It wasn't working. So we were on Mighty Networks. It was very buggy. Some people couldn't get on the calls. Like, it was just like a nightmare to deal with, right? So moving into 2025, we getting rid of that. We have to find another solution. We gotta keep it moving and do things different. Okay, so there's some things in my cleaning company that we had to change. We started implementing more employees into some of my accounts, so that we can save some money. Okay, so I noticed that I was paying independent contractors a little bit too much for some of my accounts. So next, going into 2025, I'm not doing that anymore. Put an employee in there. It's going to be an hourly thing, and we're going to be able to save some revenue moving on to 2025. Okay, so yeah, reiterate, you guys. Reiterate. Really think about it, and that's all I got for this video.
Yo, so on that note, kings and queens, whoever's out there, we are back and we ain't stopping. So I hope you guys are ready, because we are ready to rumble. All right?
That's right.
Let's
all right,
go.
Y'all, let's go, man. 2025, that is your year. And guess what? Join us in our community. It's only $15 a month. I go live in the community. Well, we go live Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Okay, the community is full of courses. Like, you're gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it. It's only $15 a month.
Spoil it.
We got the price so low that you can't say no. Price so low that you can't say no. Okay, I'll see y'all on the next video.
All right, bye.